How to share asset location link in FMS. Begin by logging into the Fleet Management System, FMS, for seamless access. To share the asset location link, navigate to the Location section. Click on Assets under the Location section. Look for the Truck section to share the location link for trucks. Look for the Trailer section to share the location link for trailers. Once you have chosen the vehicle you want to share the location link for, click on it. On the Individual Assets page, click on the sharing icon in the top right corner. Enter the recipient's name and email address, then click Send Email. You will receive a confirmation message that the email was sent. The recipient will receive an email containing a link to access the asset's live location.